What is hand-hold mentorship? Now let's address this idea. While you're in your school, you're largely spoon-fed. At this age, you are a graduate, you're preparing for one of the toughest exams or the most challenging exams. Here, you require hand-holding. Hand-holding where every aspect of your preparation gets a finishing touch. Probably gets a clarity in applying your thought. What do we do here? In your classroom, you might be learning, but there will be doubts. Somewhere, these doubts may not be addressed in the class. At mentorship, we will address every doubt possible. Further, with every test that you write, your marks, what has gone right, what has gone wrong. Pre-test, post-test, every aspect will be worked upon. How do you need to actually prepare? What is revision? What is recall? What is the difference between study, revision? How do I remember for a long time? I prepare from January, but my exam is in next year. My mains is further ahead, but from now, how do I go about? All these aspects is what mentorship touches with you. A mentor is your personal friend. A mentor is your guide. A friend, philosopher and guide throughout your preparation. That is why hand-holding through mentorship. Mentorship is a must at civil services preparation. At India4IAS, we give the highest value to mentorship and we hand-hold you. That is the idea of hand-holding.